The future of work is artificial intelligence, especially collaborative AI. Today here at QuantumMind AI we will talk about ChatDev. ChatDev is a cutting-edge AI NPC gaming research platform that seamlessly blends numerous advanced model interfaces, allowing for intricate manipulation of NPC interactions within meticulously crafted simulated social settings. ChatDev enables teams of AI agents to work together to automate complex tasks and workflows. At our AI consultancy, we leverage AI tools like ChatDev to streamline operations for clients across industries. This cutting-edge platform allows us to simulate conversations between different specialist AI agents to complete projects from start to finish. For example, in software development, ChatDev agents can collaborate on requirements gathering, system design, coding, testing, and documentation. Our AI team works 24/7 to deliver robust prototypes and functioning apps, providing tremendous value to clients. In marketing, ChatDev excels at automating content creation. Our AI authors, designers and strategists work together to quickly produce high-quality blogs, social posts, emails and more based on campaign goals. For customer support, we can configure ChatDev agents with specialized expertise in your products, services and industry. Questions get routed to the right bot for efficient answers. Human agents step in for escalations. In manufacturing, ChatDev agents can optimize production processes by digitally simulating conversations between production managers, engineers, quality control staff and more. The key advantage of ChatDev is seamless teamwork between AI agents. Just like human teams, our AI leverage their unique strengths while coordinating effectively. This collaborative intelligence allows tackling complex projects an individual bot couldn't complete alone. Let our experts demonstrate how these revolutionary technologies can automate key processes for your business. Contact us today to schedule a consultation. The future of work is AI. Let's discuss how our AI teams can drive results for you. QuantumMind AI, elevating AI innovation.